Well, it looks like TikTok is at it again. TikTok, the social media company that was supposed to be going away, still here. And they're still building tools. This tool that I actually just stumbled up on, I usually don't use a desktop app, but this particular time I did. So it might have been here for a while. But I noticed that you can actually take long form videos and it cuts it up into multiple viral clips as well as does the captions for you within that. So that's really cool. It's kind of stepped on the toes of companies like Opus that I've been telling you about that I use, that I pretty much just plug in my URL and it will actually go and cut the videos up and give me virality scores and put in a nice format to be able to put onto different formats, different platforms to in short format, so you can be able to see those short viral clips be repurposed. But I'm going to quickly walk you through my first time going through it. So if there's any kind of hiccups or whatever, don't blame me. This is my first time going through it, so I want to share it with you. Hopefully, it's something there for you to be able to explore and let me know about it in the comments. But let's go real quick, and I'm just going to use like an example video. I'm trying not to use a large one because I don't want this video to be too long, but I do want it to be educational for you to be able to go out there and repurpose your long form video and use it in TikTok, use it in Instagram, use it for shorts, using the other platforms to be able to get your brand out there and get your business in front of the right audience and customers. So let's get started. All right, here we go. So this is what I was presented with once I hit the upload on the side on my desktop. And right here it says one long video, multiple viral clips. And this is the same type of thing that Opus Clip actually does. Difference is open clip is for, you can actually put in a URL and it will actually go and actually pull in the video and split it. This one's a little bit different, it seems. It looks like you have to upload it. So let's go up and try it real quick. So we hit try now. Okay, yeah, like I thought. So it looks like you have to upload the video to here. So from a workflow standpoint, let's say for instance you upload a long form to YouTube. So that same upload that you upload to YouTube, you will have to come back here and then upload it here separately. Versus with Opus Clip, I can just upload it and then get the URL and then place it into Opus Clip and it will pull all the information for me. But, in both cases, there's a two-step process to it. I want to say that Opus Clip can auto do it, but I was probably suggest not doing because you have credits on there, and you don't want to be pulling in videos that you may not want to be able to pull in short form because it may not be relevant content that will probably go with your audience. So I would probably veer from that. Just put in your workflow and just upload it that way. So let's go get a quick video. I don't want to do a long video because I don't want this video to be very long. So I'm gonna go to Pexels real quick. And what I'm going to do is go find a video. Uh, let's see, cars. Let's do something with cars. Let's close this. All right, this is like a video that you can use, free download. And I'm just going to download a 720p video, so it won't be too long. So we got that downloaded, and we want to show in folder. And let's go back to our page. Let's see. But I'm gonna close that. So let's go back to our page. I'm gonna open up my files, and I'm gonna drag it over there. I think it's in my downloads. Excuse me, I'm using my Chromebook. I'm trying to actually make use of that. So, all right, here we go. And I'm going to drag it here. Can upload video selected. It should be between 1 to 60 minutes. Good to know. So let's actually go and find a longer video. So let's go back here. I'm not sure how long this video. Oh, it's only 12 seconds. So let's go and go to our filters. And I'm going to drag this over for duration for 60 seconds, for 1 minute. And let's see what it pulls up. All right. And one thing that's going to be different with this video is the fact that it doesn't have um, any talking in it. So I wonder if that's going to make a difference. Let's try something else. Let's try say like friends talking. All right. So is there any? It's probably not going to have any audio with it. Oh well, we could try another time to test out because what usually these tools do, they will get the script and based on the audio within the script, AI will analyze it and then it will know where good places to cut and where good places to end and to make those videos. So I wonder how it would actually be affected because it doesn't have any audio to be able to make those strategic cuts. So let's see what happens. Let's experiment. So let's go back here. This time I'm going to just click to go and upload. Here we go. Boom. All right, so we got our video here. It shows it on the timeline. What I usually do, I like to have my stuff at 30 to 60 seconds for these shorts. So, and also it's going to reframe it to 9:16. So she's going to be in the middle, which is good because usually with long form, you're gonna have it at wider format, 16 by 9. So this is going to change it, or you can keep it at original. So it depends on what you want to do. And here you have your captions. So we have captions here, and we're going to, oh, they only give me 50. You have a limit of 50 minutes of segment length each month for smart clip. So that's something good to know too. I wonder if you can actually upgrade that. So we're going to experiment and it's converting the video. And I'm going to pause the video. So if it's, let's see, 4 minutes ago. Yeah, I'm going to pause the video and come back once it's done. And we are back. And this is what it brings back for me. Got it. Let's see. She had a point, but no one was listening. That was the title of the actual video. So it did it in 9:16 format. It looks good. Only difference is it's not a long clip, which we need a long clip. And also there's no audio to strategically split the video. And I'm sure if it was a longer video, it would have um multiple clips here of what it actually came up with. So let me just annotate real quick. And it probably just have clips over here. And cool. I need a smart pad. But anyway, so this looks really cool. Looks really promising. It looks like, again, there's a limit to what you can actually do per month. And again, I wonder if that increases or decreases based on amount of followers you have. I don't think they have any kind of premium payment within the platform as of yet. But yeah, this looks pretty cool. Let me know. Let's see. The project will say automatically in the project. Okay. So let's go. Let's see what is smart clip. And let's see view all. And here's my project center. So every time I use the platform, it looks like it saves it in the project center. And you would just click there and it'll let you know the amount of shorts you have. Sorry, to be able to, I'm sure, download or probably use. Yeah, so you can download it, and then if you need to edit it for whatever reason, it has this nice editor. Of course, TikTok is going to have a great editor. We have CapCut and all the other stuff or whatever that they actually use. So, or created with ByteDance. So you can add text, you do add sound to it, all the things that you will want to be able to enhance your video is all within here. You can save. And yeah, so let me know what your thoughts are on this particular feature within TikTok. Again, I like the fact that I can just put in a URL in Opus clip, but this looks like it's free. But the difference is there's a limit to this. So it looks like you only have a certain amount of time per month. So you have to watch that. And also, it doesn't have some of the robust other features that you would want, like the scheduler within Opus Clip, the the virality score within Opus Flip to let you know, okay, this one has a great chance to be to go viral or have some kind of engagement with it. Also, Opus Flip, you will it will generate the title and description for you using AI, which makes it different because it already has the context of the video, so it can actually help you to speed up that factor too, so that it knows a good title and description for you to be able to capture your audience. So let me know in the comments if you've used this before, if you're thinking about using this, what's your thoughts on it.